wound sharply on the red tab, or blow up the red fuse near your shoulder to inflate the vest. The vest is equipped with a water-activated light. The location and use of life vests for small children may be found in the safety and